Hello everyone. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. So I've just come to see the actual models of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Galaxy Z Flip 7. What you're looking at right now is the Galaxy Z Fold 7. It's incredibly thin. The design of the camera part has also changed. Here I can actually see the three colors. What you're looking at right now is blue shadow. What do you think of this color? The buttons are thinner and there are many changes overall compared to the Fold 6. It's really amazing. Next to it is the Galaxy Z Fold 7 in silver shadow. The color came out well. I personally like this color. It's really thin and light, but solid, even when you see it in person. And the color you're looking at now is jet black. If it was called Black Widow, it would have been nice if Scarlett Johansson had come out and said, "This is the Galaxy Z Fold 7 from Samsung." But she's probably busy saving the crew while avoiding dinosaurs in Jurassic World right now. This is the Galaxy Z Flip 7 right now. This color is blue shadow. If you look at it like this, it doesn't look like much has changed. And this color is coral red. It feels a little bit closer to a deep pink. Is it just me? This is jet black. It feels a little bit more like a deep gray to call it black. It's a very deep gray. And if you look at this coral red phone again, you'll see what's changed. The camera island on the display that appears when you fold the phone is gone. It's changed to a camera floating above the screen. There's no change in thickness. I'm just taking a quick look around. Let's look at the Galaxy Z Fold 7 again. This is the blue shadow color. The front screen is like this and the bezel is thin. If you look at it overall, it looks like this. You can feel that it is very thin. Let's take a closer look. The camera ring design has changed. And the camera island has been rounded on both ends. The logo part has been made to reflect light well. If you look at the side like this, the camera part sticks out a lot. That's because the body has become thinner. The place where the SIM card is inserted has been moved to the top. If you look at the hinge part, you can immediately feel that it has become much thinner. The shape of the button has also become much thinner. Let's take a look at other colors. This is silver shadow. I personally like this color. It has a mechanical feel, a robotic feel, and a futuristic city feel. It's really thinner than the Fold 6. I was surprised that it has become this thin. And this is jet black. Now let's unfold the folded phone. It's impressive how firmly it holds. Since it's thinner, they must have put more effort into strengthening durability. It must be because it shouldn't bend or break easily. When unfolded like this, you can feel how thin it is. Let's take a closer look. It's really thin. Thinner than the Galaxy S25 Edge. It's also much lighter. This will prevent the pockets from sagging. The pockets will hold up. The internal display is larger than the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The inner camera is now just a hole. The hinge holds up well when folding the phone again. It seems to be much more durable. Let's take a look at the Galaxy Z Flip 7 again. Let's turn on the camera. How does it look? The entire display screen is displayed like this, so it feels good. It's unique. It feels like looking at display art because of the camera. It's really good that they excluded the camera island. There aren't many changes, but you can see that the folding part is properly finished. When folded like this, it feels more sophisticated. Let's take a look at the Galaxy Z Fold 7 again. You can see that the animation has also become pretty. I was zooming in to see it, it must have been too close. So I'm zooming out to see it. Now you can see the overall picture well. When you fold the screen, there is tension at a certain angle, so it returns to its original state. It starts to fold when it's above a certain point. And when you unfold it, it looks like this. And something sticks out like this below. This is a wallet. When you look at it like this, it's really quite thin. And the hinge marks have disappeared a lot. How did you do this? It's a little obvious, but the hinge part has been significantly improved. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 also has greatly improved the screen at the hinge part. Now, the folding part is almost invisible. The folding part has been improved to the point where it is not felt when touching the screen. Of course, it is felt a little. Now, if you compare the thickness with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, do you see a huge difference? You can feel that it has become considerably thinner. The weight has also become considerably lighter. Here we have the Galaxy Z Flip 7 in 3 colors: jet black, coral red, and blue shadow. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 also come in a mint color in addition to the 3 colors shown here. I didn't actually see the mint color. That color is exclusive to Samsung.com. So I took a quick look at the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Z Flip 7.